Hello, welcome to A Piece of Works Kitchen. Tonight's menu, we're having layered bow tie pasta with some shrimp and bacon and a side of roasted garlic bread. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe. I will begin to prep all of the ingredients. Here I have a head full of broccoli. I am the type that like broccoli florets instead of the broccoli pieces. So I had a fresh head. Here I am chopping it different, however you want to chop it, it's up to you. I chop it right down the middle. And then I'll be prepping the mushrooms. I will be taking the stem off the middle of the mushroom and slicing it however my heart desire. The preference is up to you guys. Once you all have finished chopping your vegetables, I will go ahead and get the bacon prepared. I have not counted how many slices of bacon, pieces of bacon I've used. The preference is up to you guys with your pasta. I just sliced it right down the middle so that it fits in the pan perfectly for as many pieces as I want. Then I prep the water and add the olive oil to it. Here I am seasoning the shrimp. You know how I do it, you guys. Season with some Himalayan salt, some oregano, black pepper, and garlic powder per use. Season so those ancestors tell you to stop, you all. Your taste buds, your preference. However you like the season. Nice and crispy bacon, cooked to perfection. Let's begin to cook the shrimp. I have added butter to the pan and I am adding the shrimp. I am overloading this, you guys, because I want it to cook fast, nice, and simple. All right, let's begin the sauce for the pasta. I have added butter and extra virgin olive oil to the pan. Let that cook down until the butter dissolves. Then I'll be adding lemon juice, garlic, and my mushrooms to the pan. Once the mushrooms has cooked down until they're nice and tender, I'll be adding cornstarch. Cornstarch is a thickening agent that will thicken my white wine sauce. Once that has cooked down, I will begin to add the white wine to the pan. Now with the white wine, you guys have to let that cook down until all alcohol has dissolved. Once everything has cooked down and dissolved, I will be adding my half and half. That is the white sauce. You stir so that there's no clumps from the cornstarch. Once all of that has been incorporated, I will be adding my Parmesan cheese to the sauce. And I will stir until everything has combined and incorporated into each other. Please, you guys, stir because it will stick to the bottom of the pan and you will have lumps. Now that the pasta is almost done, I will be adding the broccoli to the mix. If you need to add more hot water, do so until the broccoli is tender. I will now begin the roasted garlic bread. I have purchased a loaf of Italian bread. I am now slicing it down the middle. Maybe I should invest in a bread knife. It'll make my life a little easier. I am now putting slits in the bread so that the butter can incorporate even more. I have in a bowl some roasted garlic, butter, Romano cheese, and garlic powder. Add as much of the mixture as possible. You want it to be flavorful, so yes. And press this in as hard as possible so that the butter goes into the bread. Let's begin to make the pasta bowls. Here I will be layering the pasta however you like it, you guys. Layer it however you love it. I am putting sauce down at the bottom so nothing burns. Then I'll be adding the pasta and broccoli mixture. On top of that, I'll be adding more sauce. Then I'll add the shrimp and the bacon and the cheese and all of the goodness. So you guys, I hope you enjoy this. Layer it, like I said, however you desire. The pasta bowl is now oven ready. Look at that goodness. Oh my goodness. The garlic bread is done. Look at that roasted garlic. Oh my god, it looks so garlicky. Yum. I hope you guys enjoy the garlic bread as well. And here you have it, you guys, the finished product. Look how saucy and cheesy that looks. Oh my goodness. And look at that garlic bread. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys. I hope you enjoy.